Number 2. Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3500 is your perfect beginner DSLR camera. With Nikon having discontinued the D3500, now's the time to snatch one up online or through secondhand markets. Despite its discontinuation, the D3500 remains a stellar choice for newcomers eager to elevate their photography skills. First off, the D3500's APS-CC sensor is surprisingly capable. When paired with the VR version of its kit lens, you benefit from Nikon's efficient image stabilization system. This minor upgrade ensures your shots are crisp and blur-free. Nikon's diverse catalog of DX system lenses offers plenty of options for future upgrades. As your skills grow, so will your lens collection. The Nikon D3500 proves you don't need to break the bank for quality. During extensive tests, you'll find the images it captures are truly impressive. Its battery life outmatches many competitors, allowing you extended shooting sessions without worry. The camera's handling is another highlight. Lightweight and comfortable, it feels just right in your hands. Beginners will particularly appreciate the D3500's accessible controls. The guide mode is a fantastic tool, gently introducing novices to manual settings without overwhelming them. While advanced photographers might look elsewhere, the D3500 can easily rival more expensive models in the right hands. Its ability to deliver high-quality images effortlessly. On the downside, the absence of some advanced features might limit you as your skills develop. However, this isn't a deal-breaker for someone just starting their journey. The Nikon D3500 is the best beginner DSLR camera you can find today. It's the perfect way to dive into photography without feeling out of your depth. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.